Hi all, so today's video I will give you some kind of free classes for you. Are you interested? Yes. So 7-day free bootcamp for all of the data community aspirants. So it will help you to build why this is one will help you to build your career into the Azure data engineer or cloud data engineering. So that is the reason I designed those courses, because sometimes we need to do some kind of help for our community. For example, chatty, you can help the students, and something we can do for the community also. So this, when you enroll or when you check this course also, there is a small amount 49 that will be we can give to able to donate to other disabled students in our village itself. Then coming to our course, so like a 7-day boot camp, you can see there is a Python code. First day we will be discussing about Python plus PSA, and next will be SQL and Azure Data Factory, DATABRICKS, warehouse design, and end-to-end project. Finally, career discussion. Whoever want to have more doubts on these kind of things, definitely this course, this free boot camp is for yours. I will share the description link, everything in the below description. It will be start on the April 2nd in the 2023. So if you are really interested, please register and ensure your spot or your seat in the registration link. I will share in the below description. Then when you get this kind of roadmap, you will be able to crack lot of interviews, or you can become more fluent or more expertise in the particular skill. For example, Python, the first round definitely you can crack it, and the second round or the Azure Data Factory or Databricks, you will get more knowledge on when you are dealing, or then you get an overview of this what is in the important concept in these kind of things. So that is the reason I designed this 7-day boot camp. Okay, are you interested? Yes, I think I got lot of responses from my community, and I'm really happy to getting these kind of responses. Anyway, if you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you.